The crystal ball is like it's really for each person that there's their own crystal ball, because the idea is that we don't actually advise people to use machine learning to develop the base trading strategy, because it's very easy to overfit. We ask them to use this for risk management and capital allocation. So in other words, everybody will have their own crystal ball, and I can give you my crystal ball, it won't do you any good because I'm not trading your strategy. So that's one way where machine learning can be, that we can discuss it in the open, instead of saying, well, this is all very secretive. It's all proprietary, which is traditionally how quant finance operate. Everything is a secret. But when you're talking about applying machine learning finance, everything can be very transparent, because what I'm trading is very different from what you're trading. And my machine learning techniques might be useful to me, but and it will also be useful to you, but we can both be successful and not taking money from each other, because, hey, you might be using it to trade gold while I'm trading stocks. You are not taking profit away from me.